Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing so-called soft power destination Thailand visas. Now, as we've discussed in other videos, this destination Thailand visa was sort of touted, if you will, as one thing, and I think as a practical matter, it's going to look very different. That said, thought of making this video after reading a recent article from the Pattaya Mail. That's pattayamail.com. Article is titled, Individual Embassies Interpret Destination Thailand Visa Rules and Fees. Quoting directly, the route to DTV via soft power, such as cookery classes or Muay Thai, is also evolving. Again, that's very nice phraseology and it's well put by Pattaya Mail, but yeah, it's in flux. Again, the notion that this is all just cut and dried is very imprudent to presume. Okay, this thing it was basically an idea by part of the coalition government, and it's being pushed through Ministry of Foreign Affairs, I think with an eye toward upping the numbers for high season this year in terms of tourists. And frankly, as a Thai person, I'm okay with that. That's a good idea, frankly. Now, where I take issue again is this notion that it's a foregone conclusion, that you're going to get the 5 years regardless, when in reality, immigration here in Thailand, not the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, is going to make those determinations. That said, quoting further, the TAT regulations specify a letter of acceptance from the sponsoring company, but according to several reports, that company should be registered with the Department of Education in Thailand. This is presumably to prevent quote-unquote fly-by-night groups cobbling together a training program to get around the rules. Some embassies require proof of income over the last 6 months, not just a bank statement showing 500,000 baht here and now. So again, these rules are not cut and dried, and for people that are saying this is an easy visa, I think it's way too premature to say that is the case. Now, that said, with regard to Ministry of Education documentation, as we've discussed in other videos, these things look a lot like the old standard education visa, because that was what was required in order to maintain, that kind of certification was required in order to maintain that type of visa on a long-term basis. Is the soft power destination Thailand visa effectively an education visa in other clothes? I think reasonable people could argue that. That being said, as noted in that citation, things are still evolving, so we will certainly keep you updated on this channel as that situation evolves.